Hello and welcome to our tutorial about hashtag presets in Kontentino. Hashtag presets is a great time-saving feature, allowing you to create and save groups of frequently used hashtags for even faster content creation. To start, either create a new post or edit an existing one. Open hashtag presets by clicking on a hashtag icon in the copy field. First, let's create a new hashtag preset. Select Add New. Name your preset and type the hashtags you want it to contain. Now, it's time to decide on a scope. If you'd like to keep the hashtag preset only for this profile, continue with confirmation. If you'd like to add this hashtag preset to all your profiles in Kontentino, switch on the Global Preset toggle. If you prefer to use this hashtag preset with specific profiles, select these profiles. After that, hit Confirm to save the preset. Using the hashtag presets is very simple. Just insert the hashtag preset you want to use with your copy into the text. If you wish to edit or delete a preset, pick one of the options from the three dots. If you need to double-check the list of hashtags within a specific preset, click on the preset and the list will roll out. Here's a quick tip. You can generate hashtags using our Kontentino AI content generator. Access it through the New button, select AI content, and then the Hashtags section. Describe your post and let Kai do the rest. You can also manage your hashtag presets in the settings. Go to Settings, General, and Hashtag Presets section. And that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our customer support. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy the streamlined content management.